Hello, are you under the influence of clutter? Did you know that clutter can actually change the way you think and you're under its influence? It can make you think that you're awful, that you're a terrible homemaker, that you're not a good mother, that you're a bad wife. It can make you think that you'll never ever live any other way but this, that you are sad and poor because you can't ever have the home of your dreams. Well, that is a false influence. So today what I want you to do is stop being under the influence of clutter by getting clutter out of your life. Declutter. Get the clutter out of your life. Clutter is a bad influence on you. Don't hang out with clutter. Start by getting rid of one little friend of clutter over here and one little friend of clutter over there. When you see things that make you think, oh, I can't ever get rid of that, know that that's a lie, okay? You can get rid of things that you don't need, love, use, or want. So get rid of them. That's it for today. Have a great day.